In this video, we are discussing about employee expenses. For this, go to Loan and Assets, click on Employee Expenses. By entering employee expense, company pay back their employee who have spent their own money on business related expenses. For example, travel expense, food expense or client meeting, etc. Here we are having option to view employee expense by choosing branch wise, employee wise in to be verified and verified tab. Expense applied by the employee only can be viewed in To Be Verified tab. Here you can see Employee Expense Request. This must be approved by the authority person. If the authority person couldn't approve for any reason, admin can directly approve the employee's expense request. Here we are having New, Remove and Manage Expense button. Remove button is to remove applied expense request. Next is Manage Expense. This is the option to approve or reject applied expense request. For this, select an employee and click on Manage Expense. Here we see the expense request status applied. We can see applied employees details and also we can see expense applied date. Expense amount, expense type, expense date, approved by vendor or customer, expense purpose, remarks. Next is remark by approved person. Here, admin can enter remarks. If employee uploaded image, you can see by clicking here. If you want to reject, you can click here. If you want to approve, click here. Next is New button. When you are entering employee expense details in New button, it will be automatically approved when you click Save button. Choose employee, expense type, expense date, expense amount, choose image, purpose, vendor, remark. Once you are done, click the Save button. To view the approved or rejected expense detail, click Verify tab. Here by choosing expense status, you can view the data. To see the approved and rejected detail, select an employee and click Manage Expense. Here, we can only view the details. Like this, we can manage employees' business related expenses. Thank you.